Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. And one of the most alarming problems espresso machine owners experience is discovering water leaking from the bottom of the machine, because leaks often appear suddenly and can make people think the machine is completely ruined, when in reality, most leaks come from a small number of common components that wear out over time. And understanding where water travels inside an espresso machine is the key to diagnosing these issues quickly. Inside every espresso machine, there is a network of pressurized pathways that move water from the reservoir or water line through the pump into the boiler, and then toward the group head, steam valve, or hot water outlet. And because these systems operate under both heat and pressure, they rely heavily on seals, hoses, and valves to keep water contained, which means that over time the constant expansion from heat, mineral deposits from water, and mechanical stress from pressure cycles can cause certain parts to degrade and eventually leak. One of the most common leak sources is the internal silicone or PTFE hoses that carry water between components. Because these hoses are exposed to heat and pressure every time the machine runs and can slowly harden, crack, or loosen from their fittings, especially near the pump or boiler where temperatures are highest, allowing water to drip down into the machine chassis and eventually appear underneath the machine. Another extremely common cause of leaks is worn boiler gaskets or O-rings, since boilers must remain tightly sealed to maintain pressure and temperature stability. And over years of heating cycles, the rubber seals around boiler flanges or heating elements can dry out, flatten, or become brittle, allowing water or steam to escape slowly and drip through the machine housing. Valves are another major source of leaks, particularly the safety valve, solenoid valve, and steam valve, because these components constantly regulate water flow and pressure inside the system. And when scale buildup accumulates or internal seals wear out, they may begin to leak small amounts of water that eventually collect and drip from the bottom of the machine. Scale buildup from hard water also plays a hidden role in many leak problems because mineral deposits can cause fittings to loosen or prevent valve from sealing properly, which increases pressure stress on gaskets and hoses and accelerates wear inside the machine, meaning that a machine that is never descaled may develop leaks much sooner than one that receives proper maintenance. Diagnosing a leak, therefore, starts with identifying where the water is actually coming from inside the machine rather than simply observing where it appears on the outside, because water often travels along internal surfaces before dripping out at the lowest point of the chassis. So technicians usually inspect the machine while it is running to observe which component begins to leak first, checking hose connections, boiler joints, pump fittings, and valve assemblies for moisture or mineral residue that reveals the origin of a leak. Once the source is identified, most repairs are surprisingly straightforward, often involving replacing a worn hose, tightening a fitting, installing a new O-ring, or servicing a valve. And these relatively small repairs can restore the machine to full reliability without the need for expensive component replacements. Understanding these systems also helps prevent future leaks because regular maintenance, such as descaling the boiler, inspecting hoses periodically, and replacing aging seals before they fail can dramatically extend the lifespan of an espresso machine and prevent the sudden appearance of leaks that interrupt daily coffee routines, which is exactly the kind of practical repair knowledge we share here at BrewFix to help baristas, coffee enthusiasts, and aspiring technicians understand their machines better, diagnose problems with confidence, and keep their espresso machines running reliably so every shot of coffee is brewed without unexpected water pooling beneath the machine.